First, open the box, and you will find that the package list includes WG3526 router, network cable, 2, 4G antenna, 5G antenna, 3G and 4G antenna, and power adapter. Next, we introduce this router, AC1200 dual-band Gigabit Ethernet CAD for wireless router, equipped with TF card slot, SIM card slot, and USB 3.0 interface. Then, connect the 2, 4G antenna to the 2, 4G interface, the 3GA 4G antenna to the 3GA 4G interface, and the 5G antenna to the 5G interface in sequence. Then, insert the SIM card into the card slot, paying attention to the chip side up to ensure correct insertion. After completing the above steps, connect the power adapter and power on the router. Wait patiently for a few seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator lights up, indicating that the device has successfully booted